Hey, welcome to this video, and this is a very important video where we are going to discuss about how to craft a right statement of purpose. So statement of purpose is perhaps the most critical element of your application and the entire admission process. All other elements set aside, the statement of purpose has the power to make or break your application. And the statement of purpose assumes an even greater role because unlike in MBA programs, it is the only way to tell a story to the admissions committee. My name is Akshay Jalan and I have a decade of experience of working at IIT Bombay, wherein I had interaction with a lot of students and professors that helped me move ahead in my career journey. However, before coming to IIT, I had a very topsy-turvy career journey wherein there were a lot of challenges that I particularly faced. And on these challenges helped me to understand how that I had made a mistake in my life, and then with the learning at IIT Bombay and my certification in career guidance from NCDA actually helped me to craft my own journey as well as empower hundreds of students so that they can make a scientific and systematic decision with their career journey. And at Career Vision Hub, which is my organization, I help students to explore, discover, and grow in the career journey so that they can become a future leader and make their parents proud. Many of you are aspiring to go abroad, and in this whole process is quite detailed and cumbersome. Much of the students sometimes get confused, and to actually solve this problem, I have launched a course on study abroad formula as well. So if you want to know more about this course, you can check out the link in the description. Also, if you want to understand science of career selection and understand how to crack the career code, not only identifying the right career for yourself, but also the right mindset and the skill set, and also know more about how we can help you in a study abroad journey, I would suggest you to go to my website jakshay.com or careervisionhub.com. And we have a personalized profile building program that can help you with the end-to-end guidance in your study abroad journey, starting from identifying the universities, which exams to take, how to build your profile, which internships to do, SOP writing, LOR validation, and the visa processing. All those things can be taken care by our team. If you want to know more about it and you have any queries, you can send an email to cvhakshay@gmail.com. So let's try to understand how you can craft or write your SOP. So let's first try to understand a list of questions that you should answer in a statement of purpose. So first question is, what program do you wish to study at the graduate school? Second is, why do you want to study only this particular degree or course? Why do you want to study at this particular college or university? How do you connect with the beliefs and ideology of the institution? Fourth is, how much and what kind of experience do you have in your field? Is your experience relevant? How does it connect to the degree of your choice? If you're already experienced, what additional skills do you intend to gain from the particular degree? And how will your experience add value to your class? Also, what do you plan to do with your degree after you complete your graduation or post-graduation? Would you choose to work or would you take up research? What are your expectations from both the graduate program and the university? Would you like to study or do research under any particular professor? If yes, why only that particular professor? How can you contribute to the university and the program? What is your contribution? What specific skills do you bring to the table? Then, apart from work in education, what are your hobbies, interests, and regular habits? Meaning they want to understand that what are you like as a person, apart from your academic and other professional achievements that you have. What do you understand about the university student community and culture? Why do you think you will fit into that particular culture? Next is, what is that one unique aspect or characteristics about you that the university should know? Why does it matter to us or to the fellow students of your class? What are your accomplishments in life? Why should we choose you over another individual? These, if needed, you can pause this video right now and you can think about all these particular questions. That will take you a long ahead. So go ahead and pause, and if you want to think about these questions or you want to rewind and again go through all these points again, you can do that. I'll also try and share this FAQ list as a document at the description or the resource section of this particular video. These are very, very important, and if you consider all these questions while answering or crafting a statement of purpose, this will actually be a game changer. Now let's look at some tips on having a good SOP. So I hope you've noted down the questions and you've also noted some pointers that you're going to ask or answer in this particular SOP. So let's talk about some general tips on how to make a good SOP. So there are many tips or approaches to write a statement of purpose, but the best that works is individualistic. So I believe that it's a personal style of writing that has the ability to make sure that the admission committee remembers your story even after reading several thousand applications. However, you may still find the following tips useful. First is novel versus newspaper. So ever wondered what makes one stay up all night and keep reading a good book? Can one do the same with a newspaper? Your SOP should be interesting to read. That's one objective you should always keep in mind. Maybe you write a story and not just statements. It should be, your life story. So make it very interesting. Storyfy your resume is what I would like to say. The next comes include specifics. So details could make all the difference, right? Always make it a point to include specifics of your experience in education. What you did, how you did it, what was the end result, and what is the difference that it made to you and to the goal that you did, maybe in your education experience or the company. What is the difference you made there and what difference did it make to you? So be specific about that. Be you. So it's very important that you don't try to copy anyone else or from anywhere else. Think really hard about each of the pointers that I mentioned. Craft separate answers for each of them and really introspect. So though you can always take reference from others' SOP, remember each individual is different with entirely different cultures, methodologies, visions, values, mottos, strengths, weaknesses, etc. And your SOP should actually reflect all of this. Super formal or super friendly? What should be the tone of your SOP? Should it be super formal or should it be frank? So truth is, your tonality of writing gives an admission committee member a lot of insight into your attitude, personality and your value system. Are you practical or emotional? And short questions get answered immediately. What you would want to do here is not give that answer upfront and make sure that the person evaluating your SOP should at least completely read it. So the best way to do that is to fuse both the approaches. Be formal yet conversational. And another way to maintain the interest of the reader is using indirect writing instead of using a more head-on kind of an approach. So think of this SOP as a reflection of you. Once you're done writing it, keep reading it and you will find mistakes or things you want to add or remove. Review it for at least a week before finalizing your draft. So take a moment to reflect on your journey and your motivation for studying abroad. So jot down your thoughts and experiences that truly define who you are as an individual. Use these reflections as a starting point for crafting your exceptional SOP. So keep in mind that SOP is a work in progress and it's okay to review and refine it multiple times. You can at least take a week to review and make improvements before finalizing your particular draft. So hope this video was helpful for you to understand about the secrets of how to craft a compelling SOP. I'll be sharing the document in the resources section and the description where you could actually understand and remember all those questions that were there. And if you answer all these questions, it will be very easy for you to craft a resume. If you found this video interesting and you feel that it is going to help you in your study abroad journey, then please share it with someone whom you feel could be empowered by this video. Share it with like-minded students, parents, friends, etc. who could be empowered in the study abroad journey. So do press the like button also and subscribe to this channel so that the next video which I share on career guidance or study abroad formula comes straight to you. Thank you very much. All the best.